Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix No Switch User Option Windows 11. To start, check on the login screen that the users to switch are not visible. To fix it, in the search box, enter gpedit.msc. Open the console. In the window, click on Computer Configuration and display Administrative Templates. Then, in the system, select the Logon option. In Policies, double-click the option Hide Entry Points for Fast User Switching. Now check the Not Configured option, click Apply and OK. After this, you are going to restart Windows 11. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. As you see on the lock screen, the user change is now visible. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.